Good morning, 8th class students. This is the first class. I am taking Dana sir, I want to explain sets, SETS sets. It is there in your textbook. Of course, it is there in the 9th class and also continued in 10th class. And also, you learned this chapter in previous exercises also, in previous classes, means 6th, 7th. Now, in detail, I will explain. You please listen first. You have to do two things. Every student first listen. Listening important. Next, see. Second activity. First activity, listening. Listen what sir is saying. Second, see what sir is writing. Third, try to understand. Try to understand. From one input, you are listening and seeing the matter on the board, and then you will easily, from 1 and 2 activities, you will easily understand. Third activity. Then fourth activity, note down on the notes. These are the 4 activities every student should follow. First important is listening important. See, sets introduced by George Cantor. We in our daily life we see innumerable sets, set of flowers, set of numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, set of odd numbers, set of even numbers, set of perfect squares. There are so many set of planets, set of stars, set of 8th class boys, 8th class girls, totally 8th class students. So these are all sets we can define. Set of prime numbers, set of composite numbers, set of perfect squares, set of perfect cubes. We can give any example. Set of cine artists, Tollywood, Hollywood. Set of Tollywood actors. Set of Bollywood actors. Tollywood means belongs to Telugu. Tollywood means Tamil. Bollywood means Hindi, Bombay like, and Hollywood, foreign countries. Set of. These are all defined terms. Odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. These are all set of flowers. Flowers are defined. Set of planets are defined. Everything. But what are not defined, you will confuse. Set of beautiful things, suppose. Beautiful thing, the word beautiful is not defined. If you think you like rose flower, someone may not like rose flower. Some like jasmines, lily flowers. So it differs from person to person. So there such words are not defined. Beautiful The word beautiful is not defined because it varies from person to person. While some like only our eatables dal, others will like some non-veg. So like that, these are changes. Such things are not defined because they are interested. So very clever, very talented. Such words are not defined. Very clever means in our class you may clever. You are the clever because you are getting more marks and you are answering for every question in all subjects. So you are called as a clever. But in other states, in other districts, you may not be clever student. So such words are not defined. So nothing, the set's meaning is definition of set, a collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects. A collection of well-defined objects. Now when you understood what is defined, well-defined, very clever, very talented, tallest, biggest. So it is he is tallest in our class, but he may not in other districts in our states totally in the world. That's why such words are not defined. So collection of well-defined objects. Number one, definition. Second, write some examples. Examples. A set of flowers. A set of odd numbers. A set of 8th class students. 8th class students. Because these are all defined. Set of prime numbers. A set of composite numbers. Prime numbers, composite numbers. A set of cricket players, kabaddi players, a set of kabaddi players, like that. So they are all defined set of vowels in the alphabet. A, E, and U. So these are the, you can give innumerable, there are many examples because it is very related to our value. Set of fruits, set of eatables, set of sweets, set of savories. Savories means made with chili powder. Eatables made with chili powder. Are savories. Breweries party. Food drinks. Right. So you can give number of examples. Set meaning is very simple collection of well-defined objects. The sets are introduced by George Cantor. And the objects of the set are called elements. Say this is number one definition. Number one definition. Second, examples. Third point, The objects of the set are called the objects of the set are called elements. Elements. The objects of the set are called elements. The vowels A, E, I, O, U. A is an element. E is an element. Suppose there is a E, I, O, U. Like this. Generally, four sets are written in curly bracket, writing each element with commas and close with the curly bracket. Sets are written as writing the elements with commas, writing the elements with commas and enclose with the curly bracket. See, this is example. Sets are written as writing the elements with commas and enclosed with the curly bracket. You can give any capital letter for symbols. Name of the sets. Set A, set B, set C, like that. Sets are expressed in two methods. They are number one, roster form. Second, set builder form. Sets are expressed in two methods. There, one is in roster form, second set builder form. No? Roster form is expressed. We are writing all elements. We are expressing all elements. Prime numbers less than 10. Prime numbers less than 10 means we write 2, 3, 5, 7, like this. 9, no. These are the prime numbers less than 10. In this roster form, we know the elements. We know all the elements. These are the vowels of English alphabet. We know all elements. But what is the set builder form? To write this rule. What is this rule? Roster form. Prime numbers less than, they are primes less than 10. These are the prime numbers less than 10. We write only circular form. Its rule. What is this rule? A prime number x is such that you write like this. X is such that x is a prime. X is a prime number less than 10. So this is the way of writing circular form. In circular form, elements are not given. Elements are 2, 3, 5, 7 are known in roster form. The same problem we are expressing in circular form. In circular form, we write the rule. What is the rule here? Prime numbers less than 10. Not all prime numbers. Condition less than 10. X is a prime such that less than 10. This is the way of expressing set. Always we have to write the sets in two forms. Please remember, one is roster form. In roster form, we write all the elements. What are the elements? We have to write. Suppose in our school, correspondence sir is asking only class leaders. So there all the class leaders of sixth class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class. Not all students are not going. Only leaders are going. So we know that is the roster form. But what is circular form? What is the rule here there? The rule is only x is such that x is a class leader. X is such that x is a class leader. So class leaders are good. So that is the rule here. We have to simply write the rule. See, once again I explain. First of all, sets, S-E-T-S, sets, very simple collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Every object is defined. I told you what are not defined. Very clever. He is not defined as very clever because he is in our class. He is clever. He may not clever in other places. That's why it is not. Beautiful things. Wow, that picture is very beautiful. The hero is very handsome. Means it is according to your mentality. But I may not like. So such words are not defined. Beautiful things. Next, I have given some examples of. You can give any example. And the next, second point, examples given. Third, objects of the set are called elements. Elements we listen in chemistry. Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, sodium, like that. All there are more than 108 elements. So the objects of the set are called elements. Don't confuse. Generally, sets are written by keeping the commas with writing the elements with commas and enclosed with curly bracket. This is called as curly bracket. Next, curly bracket. Sets are expressed in two methods, two ways, two forms. What are the two forms? One is roster form, the other is set builder form. What is Rosser form? How to know it? How to write it means we have to write all players. We have to write all elements. Cricket players, they are playing in a team. So we write their names and commas and enclose with the curly. That is it. Write the vowels of English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Writing all commas with keeping the elements with commas and enclose the curly bracket. This is the way of writing set. That if you don't write in curly bracket, we cannot say it is a set. See, simply you write 2. It's not a set. 2 is an even prime. Simply writing 2 is not a set. Set means you should enclose with curly bracket. Now you say this is a set. It is a singleton set. Only one element is there in the set. Simply you writing prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. It is not called as a set. And when it becomes set, if you enclose it in curly bracket, then only we say it is a set. Later you can write any number. So this is the way of writing Rosser form and Setbinder form. How to write set? You use this word X. X means an element and write the room. What is the room here? Suppose you have write in Setbinder form. How to write this? X is such that X is an oval of English alphabet. That is the rule here. X is an element such that X is an oval of English alphabet. So writing this as such that X is such that X is a prime less than 10. Prime number less than 10. Write the rule. Writing the rule in Setbinder form. If he sometimes he will ask, he will give Rosser form. You will express this in Setbinder form. Sometimes he will give Setbinder form. We have to write express in Rosser form. And the sixth types of sets I will explain. Sixth types of sets. Number 1, A, empty set. Number 2, equal sets. C, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Number 4, subset. Next, superset and universal set. Universal set. Joint set. Disjoint set. finite set, infinite set, infinite set, singleton set, singleton set, and power set. So here in the next class I will explain types of sets. Empty set, it is there in the name only, no elements in it. Tomorrow I explain one by one. Second, equal set. Third, equivalent sets. Fourth, subset. Superset, universal set, joint set, disjoint set, finite set, infinite set, singleton set, power set. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will explain these types tomorrow. The easiest step. What we learned so far? Definition of sets. Very simple. Collection of well-defined objects. And some examples. And I don't confuse well-defined. Prime numbers defined. Composite numbers defined. Every objects set of flowers are defined. Planets, cricket players, the players who play only cricket. Kabaddi players, they play only kabaddi. Like that they are defined. And not defined, I explained. Beautiful things, set of beautiful things, beautiful word, not defined. Because it changes person to person. Okay. Very clever, very talented, tallest. Such words are not defined. Next, second thing, the objects of the set are called elements. Third point, this third point. Fourth point, sets. How to write a set? We have to write each element with commas and enclosed with the curly bracket. Curly bracket. Then only I explained all. Simply you write vowels like this, A, E, I. Without writing, without enclosing the bracket, it cannot say a set. There is no curly bracket, means it is not called as a set. Set means write commas and enclose with the curly bracket. Very important. Simply you write 2, it is not a set, but when you close it in a curly bracket, we say it is a set of singleton set. It contains only one element, singleton set. Set. When it becomes set by closing curly bracket. Without curly bracket, we can't say this is not a set. Okay. Next, sets are expressed in two methods. One is roster form, the other is set builder form. In roster form, every element is listed. Every element is listed with commas. We know all the elements in the set. But whereas in set builder form, we are writing only its rule. What is its rule? It is they are prime numbers less than 10. So we write like this: x is such that x is a prime number less than 10. like suppose a sequential form is given. X is such that x is a factor of 6. Factor of 6. So simply it is a sequential form. A rule is given, factor of 6. Now this is it is sequential form. When we write in Hausser form, we have to write the elements, the factors 2, 2 3s, 3 2s, next 6, 2 3 6 are the, we can also write 1. 1 is for 1 and the number itself are common. 1 is common for all numbers, and the number itself are single. 6 also a factor. 1 is a factor. So this is way of writing roster form. This is roster form. This is circular form. In circular form, we are not writing the elements. Simply we are writing its rule. What is the rule here? Factors. Factors of 6. Right. Next, types of sets. These are the types of sets. One by one, I explain tomorrow. Thank you, no doubt. Today onwards, I will take class unit. You please write down and follow. I am saying no. You have to do what are your activities. First, listen. Second, see what I am writing, how I am writing. And third, you have to understand the points, what is Sir saying, what are the terms, what are the definitions, what are the concepts, you have to understand. Then, fourth, you write on the notes, because you may forget in future days. By seeing these, when you open your notes, again you can recall all the points. Fourth activity is only writing the notes. But what people are doing? Not listening, not seeing, not understanding. Simply doing fourth activity. Fourth activity is writing on the notes. No use. First, listen. Second point, see what Sir is writing on the board. How he is writing. Third point, from 1 and 2 activities, you can easily understand. Fourth activity, record all these points on your notes. These are the activities of a student. Without above 3 activities, it is waste of writing notes on the board. Please follow. Thank you.